Well, this morning, again, the humidity is high, 77%. I went to bed last night, and every night I've had a coughing spell. Last night I put a fan on me to lower the humidity. I didn't have a coughing spell last night. Now the humidity today is 77%. It's just soaking wet outside and rainy looking. Not raining, but it looks like it's getting ready to rain. I got the fan on me now, sitting here. I'm not coughing. I'm confirming more and more that my coughing problem is due to sinus, but triggered by high humidity.